Welcome back to Power in the Hours Part 3. This is a 7-part series about how to regain your time and make sure it works the way you want. Now, Part 3 is all about managing your files. And you might stop and ask, what does that have to do with time? But if you are constantly searching for files that you can never seem to find, that are scattered all over the place, it's going to waste time. Just trust me on this. So if you are creating templates, let's say for your business, which is a great idea, but you can't find it, then what is the point? Create a simple filing system, nothing crazy here. Just think of all the areas in your business. So sales, marketing, accounting, clients, training. You might have a couple subfolders, but keep it super simple. I like throwing training, all those freebies you might sign up for, or courses, throwing that in the training folder. If you primarily save your files on your computer, make sure you set up this exact same folder structure inside Google Drive or OneDrive, wherever your online cloud is, and add a task at the end of each week to copy over all the updates to your files. That way, if something crazy happens to your computer, you've got a backup. All right, let's get specific about your files. Excel. Combine those sheets. You don't need to have 5 different Excel files if it could all be in one. I know this seems simple, but it's easy to get out of hand when you just open up a new Excel sheet and start dumping in information to save it. I like to have sheets for different topics and save them all within one Excel, so it's I only have a few total. Templates. Make sure you label them appropriately and that they are saved in a folder called templates or something relatable. If they are saved in Canva or OneDrive, I encourage my clients to have a quick link set up inside their work management system. So like I use ClickUp, and I either have a note on their dashboard or inside a document that links up to where those templates are stored or their processes are stored. And that way they don't ever have to worry about where it is. They just know they have quick access inside a system they're already in every single day. Notes, speaking of ClickUp, if you are in there, use their document feature to type up notes. It is amazing. You'll be able to create a task directly from your document, which saves so much time, and then those action items aren't lost in the shuffle. This was a quick one today. I hope it was helpful. This Power in the Hour series is a 7-part series, so make sure you come back next week for part 4.